In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share tasks on Todoist with ease. Sharing tasks on Todoist is a fantastic way to collaborate with others. Whether you're managing a work project, planning a family event, or organizing a group activity. By the end of this simple guide, you'll be able to share tasks quickly and efficiently, all within just a few minutes. First, open up your favorite web browser and type in the URL app.todoist.com/login. This will take you directly to the Todoist login page. If you don't have your Todoist account already open, this is the perfect moment to get things started. Once you're there, you need to log in, which leads us to our next step. Enter your login credentials. This means typing in your email address associated with your Todoist account. Make sure you're using the correct email to avoid any access issues. After inputting your email, the next thing to do is type in your password. Check to ensure it's accurate to avoid delays in accessing your account. If you prefer using social logins, Todoist offers convenient options. You can opt to log in by clicking Continue with Google, Continue with Facebook, or Continue with Apple, whichever suits you best. Using these options can save time if you have your accounts linked and ready to go. Now that you're logged into your Todoist account, let's move on to sharing tasks. To do this, you'll first need to open the project that contains the tasks you wish to share. Navigate to the projects page by selecting it from your list of projects on the left side of the screen. Once the project is open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here you'll find the share icon, typically represented by a symbol of people or a simple share icon. Clicking this will bring up the sharing options. With the sharing menu open, you'll be prompted to type in the email address of the individual you want to share this project with. Be sure that the email address is correct and tied to their Todoist account or an email they check regularly. After you've entered the recipient's email address, the final step is to click the invite button. By doing this, you send a sharing request to the person. They'll receive a notification and can accept the invitation, granting them access to view and work on the project with you. These steps will enable you to efficiently share tasks on Todoist, smoothing the path toward effective collaboration. Remember, communication and clarity are essential, so keep those lines open with the people you're collaborating with. Happy task sharing!